In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Telegram to your Whop account, step by step, so you can link everything properly in just a few minutes. This is a quick and useful setup if you want to make sure your Whop account is connected to Telegram for notifications, access, or community management. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure you are on the home feed inside your Whop account. This is important because the account settings options are easiest to access from here. Once you're on the home feed, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. After that, you should see a gear icon next to your profile name. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings page. This is where you'll find all of the connection and account options you need. Now that you're inside account settings, look for the section called Connected Accounts. Click on that to open the list of integrations Whop supports. This is where you can connect external apps and services to your account. Next, find Telegram in the list of available integrations. When you see it, click the Add Plus icon next to Telegram. This will open the Add Telegram Account dialog box, which will give you the exact instructions you need to finish the connection process. At this point, Whop will tell you to message the Whop Bot inside Telegram. You can do that by opening Telegram and searching for @Whop Bot, or you can use the direct link shown in the instructions. If you want the fastest route, open this link in your browser or Telegram app, t.me/whop_bot. Once the bot opens, click Start or send the /start command to begin the chat. This activates the bot and prepares it to receive your connection details. Now go back to the Whop dialog and copy your unique connection code. This code is specific to your account, so make sure you copy the correct one. Then paste or send that code directly to the Whop bot in Telegram. This is the step that actually links your Telegram account to your Whop account. After you send the code, wait for confirmation. If everything is entered correctly, the connection will process automatically, and the dialog box in Whop will close on its own once the account is successfully connected. And that's it. Your Telegram account is now connected to Whop. If you are following along, you should be all set and ready to use the connection however your Whop setup requires. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.